Manhattan Active WMS online training by industry expert. Manhattan Active WMS is a cloud-based warehouse management system developed by Manhattan Associates, a leading provider of supply chain and omni-channel solutions. It represents a new generation of WMS designed to meet the evolving needs of modern supply chains. Unlike traditional WMS solutions, Manhattan Active WMS operates entirely in the cloud, offering users scalability, flexibility, and accessibility from anywhere with an internet connection. This cloud-native architecture enables faster implementation, easier upgrades, and seamless integration with other cloud-based applications. It also provides real-time visibility into warehouse operations, allowing businesses to make data-driven decisions quickly. One of the key differences between Manhattan Active WMS and its predecessor, Manhattan WMS, lies in its approach to software delivery and updates. While Manhattan WMS typically required on-premises installations and periodic software upgrades, Manhattan Active WMS delivers continuous updates and improvements through the cloud, ensuring that users always have access to the latest features and enhancements without the need for manual intervention. Manhattan Active WMS is built with advanced analytics and machine learning capabilities, allowing businesses to optimize warehouse operations, improve inventory accuracy, and enhance order fulfillment processes. Its intuitive user interface and configurable workflows make it easier for warehouse personnel to perform their tasks efficiently, reducing errors and increasing productivity. Another distinguishing feature of Manhattan Active WMS is its support for omni-channel fulfillment. With the rise of e-commerce and the growing demand for faster delivery options, businesses need a WMS that can handle multiple order channels seamlessly. Manhattan Active WMS offers robust support for omni-channel fulfillment, enabling businesses to fulfill orders from multiple sales channels, including online, brick-and-mortar stores, and third-party marketplaces, with ease. Manhattan Active WMS boasts several key features that set it apart in the realm of warehouse management systems. Let's take a look. Cloud-native architecture. As a cloud-native solution, Manhattan Active WMS offers scalability, flexibility, and accessibility. It operates entirely in the cloud, enabling rapid deployment, seamless upgrades, and easy integration with other cloud-based applications. Continuous updates and enhancements. Unlike traditional WMS solutions that require periodic software upgrades, Manhattan Active WMS delivers continuous updates and enhancements through the cloud. This ensures that users always have access to the latest features, improvements, and security patches without the hassle of manual updates. Advanced analytics and machine learning. Manhattan Active WMS incorporates advanced analytics and machine learning capabilities to optimize warehouse operations. It provides real-time insights into inventory levels, order statuses, and operational performance, allowing businesses to make data-driven decisions and improve efficiency. Omni-channel fulfillment support. With the rise of omni-channel retailing, Manhattan Active WMS offers robust support for fulfilling orders from multiple sales channels. Whether orders originate from online stores, brick-and-mortar locations, or third-party marketplaces, the system enables businesses to manage and fulfill them seamlessly. Configurable workflows and user interface. The system features an intuitive user interface and configurable workflows that streamline warehouse operations. Users can customize workflows to match their specific processes and preferences, enhancing productivity and reducing errors. Real-time visibility and tracking. Manhattan Active WMS provides real-time visibility into warehouse activities, inventory movements, and order statuses. This visibility enables businesses to track inventory levels accurately, monitor order fulfillment progress, and identify potential bottlenecks or issues in real time. These key features make Manhattan Active WMS a powerful and comprehensive solution for modern warehouse management, empowering businesses to optimize operations, improve customer satisfaction, and stay competitive in today's dynamic market landscape. Manhattan Active WMS is utilized across a diverse range of industries that rely on efficient warehouse management to streamline operations, optimize inventory, and enhance order fulfillment processes. Retailers, both brick-and-mortar and e-commerce, leverage Manhattan Active WMS to manage inventory across multiple locations, fulfill orders from various sales channels, and ensure timely delivery to customers. E-commerce. With the rapid growth of online shopping, e-commerce companies depend on Manhattan Active WMS to efficiently manage their warehouse, handle high volumes of orders, and meet customer expectations for fast and accurate delivery. Manufacturing companies utilize Manhattan Active WMS to manage raw materials, track work-in-progress inventory, and optimize the distribution of finished goods to customers or distribution centers. Logistics and third-party logistics. Logistics providers and 3PL companies use Manhattan Active WMS to effectively manage inventory for multiple clients, optimize warehouse space utilization, and streamline transportation and distribution processes. Wholesale and distribution. Wholesale distributors rely on Manhattan Active WMS to efficiently manage inventory across warehouse, fulfill orders for retailers and other customers, and optimize supply chain processes to reduce costs and improve service levels. Consumer goods. Companies in the consumer goods industry use Manhattan Active WMS to manage inventory of fast-moving consumer goods, FMCG, ensure product availability on store shelves, and optimize distribution networks to meet fluctuating demand. Food and beverage. Food and beverage companies utilize Manhattan Active WMS to maintain proper temperature control for perishable goods, manage inventory rotation to prevent spoilage, and ensure compliance with food safety regulations. Pharmaceuticals and healthcare. Pharmaceutical companies and healthcare providers leverage Manhattan Active WMS to manage inventory of medical supplies, pharmaceuticals, and healthcare products, ensuring proper handling, storage, and distribution to meet regulatory requirements and patient needs. Several well-known companies across various industries utilize Manhattan Active WMS to optimize their warehouse management processes. Here are some examples. As one of the world's largest e-commerce companies, Amazon relies on Manhattan Active WMS to manage its vast network of warehouse and fulfillment centers, ensuring efficient order fulfillment and delivery to customers worldwide. The retail giant Walmart uses Manhattan Active WMS to manage inventory across its extensive network of stores and distribution centers, enabling seamless replenishment and efficient order processing. FedEx, a global logistics and delivery services company, leverages Manhattan Active WMS to optimize its warehousing and distribution operations, improving inventory visibility and streamlining package handling processes. DHL, a leading international logistics company, utilizes Manhattan Active WMS to manage its global network of warehouse and distribution centers, enabling faster and more accurate order fulfillment for its customers. The Coca-Cola Company, a major beverage manufacturer and distributor, relies on Manhattan Active WMS to manage inventory of its products in warehouse and distribution centers worldwide, ensuring timely delivery to retailers and consumers. Target Corporation, a retail chain with stores across the United States, utilizes Manhattan Active WMS to manage inventory replenishment, order picking, and fulfillment processes in its distribution centers, supporting its omni-channel retail strategy. Procter & Gamble, a multinational consumer goods company, uses Manhattan Active WMS to optimize inventory management and distribution of its products to retailers and consumers globally. Best Buy Co., Inc., a leading consumer electronics retailer, relies on Manhattan Active WMS to manage inventory across its distribution centers and fulfill orders for its online and brick-and-mortar stores. These are just a few examples of companies that use Manhattan Active WMS to improve their warehouse management and supply chain operations. The system's robust features and scalability make it a preferred choice for businesses of all sizes across various industries seeking to enhance efficiency and customer satisfaction. Now let's take a look at what are the job opportunities for someone with Manhattan Active WMS knowledge. The e-commerce and logistics sectors are rapidly expanding. This growth drives increased demand for sophisticated warehouse management systems, WMS, to optimize operations. Companies are upgrading legacy systems and looking for cloud-native, continuously evolving solutions like Manhattan Active WMS to drive efficiency and competitiveness in their supply chains. As a relatively newer technology, the pool of professionals with in-depth Manhattan Active WMS expertise is currently smaller than the demand. This creates excellent opportunities for those with the right skills. Professionals with a background in supply chain management, logistics, information technology, or related fields, along with certifications or training in Manhattan Active WMS, may find ample opportunities in India's job market. Additionally, individuals with experience in cloud-based solutions, data analytics, and mobile technologies may have a competitive edge in securing roles related to Manhattan Active WMS. Now let's take a look at what is the expected salary for someone well-versed in Manhattan Active WMS. The salary expectations for someone with knowledge of Manhattan Active WMS can vary widely depending on several factors such as the individual's level of experience, specific job role, location, industry, and company size. However, professionals with expertise in Manhattan Active WMS typically command competitive salaries due to the specialized nature of their skills and the high demand for talent in the field of warehouse management systems. In India, salaries for professionals with Manhattan Active WMS knowledge may range from entry-level positions to senior management roles. Entry-level positions such as WMS associates or junior consultants may offer salaries ranging from 3 lakhs rupee to 6 lakhs rupee per annum. Mid-level roles such as WMS consultants, implementation specialists, or business analysts with a few years of experience can expect salaries between 6 lakhs rupee to 12 lakhs rupee per annum. Senior-level roles such as WMS project managers, solution architects, or senior consultants with extensive experience and expertise in Manhattan Active WMS may command salaries upwards of 12 lakhs rupee per annum. Senior professionals with leadership responsibilities may earn significantly higher salaries, ranging from 20 lakhs rupee to 40 lakhs rupee per annum or more, depending on their level of experience and the size of the organization. Now that you have a brief knowledge about the market, let's understand how Proexcellency solutions can help you with this training. At Proexcellency, we pride ourselves on our team of seasoned industry experts who bring years of hands-on experience in Manhattan Active WMS implementation, configuration, and optimization. Our trainers are dedicated to providing you with practical insights, real-world examples, and personalized guidance to ensure maximum learning retention and skill mastery. Our meticulously crafted curriculum covers all aspects of Manhattan Active WMS, from fundamental concepts to advanced functionalities. Whether you're a beginner looking to build a strong foundation or a seasoned professional aiming to enhance your expertise, our courses cater to learners of all levels and backgrounds. We understand that everyone has unique schedules and learning preferences. That's why we offer flexible learning options to accommodate your needs. Access our training modules anytime, anywhere, and on any device. All you need is an internet connection. Upon successful completion of our training program, you'll receive a prestigious certificate from Proexcellency, validating your proficiency in Manhattan Active WMS. Additionally, we provide assistance with exam preparation and tips for acing certification exams, giving you a competitive edge in the job market. Thanks for watching. Contact us for more details.